Good morning, students. Exercise 12.3, 15th sum. In figure 12.33, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find area of the shaded region. It is given A, B, this is C is a quadrant and one line BC is there. That is the diameter for the semicircle BC. And radius is given as 14 centimeter. For quadrant it is given. Find area of the shaded region. This blue color region we are supposed to find. So what are the given information? ABC quadrant with a radius 14 centimeter. Quadrant means it is understood as 90 degree. That's why I have written there. And BC is the diameter of the semicircle. BC is the diameter of the semicircle. Find area of the shaded region. First is we are going to do in right triangle ABC. Why it is right triangle means since it is a quadrant 90 degree I can write. Now this is the triangle which is the triangle ABC is a triangle with a BC as the hypotenuse. So in right triangle ABC I want to just find the BC. From that BC only I can get the diameter for the semicircle. So first step we are finding the BC. So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Since it is a quadrant 14 is the radius. So this side is also 14 radius. So AB is equal to 14 plus AC 14 square. So when I am squaring 196 plus 196, BC square is equal to 392. BC is equal to square root of 392 which is nothing but 196 into root 2. So which is nothing but 14 root 2 centimeter. So this BC is nothing but diameter of the semicircle. So BC is equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. BC is 14 root 2 means what about radius? Radius is nothing but 14 root 2 by 2. So 2 and 14 I am cancelling. 7 root 2 is the radius of the semicircle. So radius of the quadrant is 14 and radius of the semicircle is 7 root 2. Now area of the shaded region, that is this region, is nothing but area of the triangle. This part ABC is the triangular part plus area of the semicircle minus this quadrant region. So area of the shaded region is nothing but area of the triangle ABC plus area of the semicircle. This triangular region plus this semicircular region, entire region I am taking. In that area I am going to subtract this quadrant. So area of the triangle plus area of the semicircle minus area of the quadrant will give you the shaded region. So area of the triangle, what is the formula? Half base into height. Since it is a right triangle, half base into height. Area of the semicircle 1 by 2 pi r square minus area of the quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square. You can use any formula for quadrant. So 1 by 2 into base is 14, height is also 14 plus 1 by 2, pi value 22 by 7. For the quadrant semicircle radius is 7 root 2. So 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus 1 by 4 pi 22 by 7. For the quadrant radius it is given in the question 14. So 14 into 14. Now I am just simplifying. This is 7 and 1 7 I am cancelling. Now it is 1 root 2, 7 root 2. Root 2 and root 2 when I multiply it is a 2 only. So this 2 and this 2 root 2 I am cancelling. So what is the rest of the term is here 11. This 2 and 22 I am cancelling 11. So in this here 7 and 14 I am cancelling 2 sir, and this 4 and 22 I am cancelling 2 and 11. You just simplify. Here 2 and 14 I am cancelling. So 14 into 7 is 98. Here when I am taking 11 into 7 into 2, that is root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 154. The same way here 11 into 14. When I am multiplying minus 154. Now this 154, 1 is minus 154. So I can cancel. Rest of the value is 98. Therefore area of the shaded region is 98 centimeter square. 16th sum. Calculate the area of the designed region in figure 12.34. Common between the two quadrants of circle of radius 8 centimeter. So it is given here as a square design. 8 centimeter is the side of the square and it is given that 90 degree. In that we have two quadrants. See from this part one quadrant. You just close this side, then you will have the quadrant. If I am closing this middle region, then this part from this and this makes a quadrant. So two quadrants are bounded with each other to make a square design like that. And radius is given as 8 centimeter. So what are the informations given here? First I am writing. Given side of the square is given as 8 centimeter. Since it is given as 90 degree, making a square, theta is 90 degree. The radius of the quadrant. So from here, if I am seeing A, B, C, with E is the quadrant, first quadrant. Second quadrant, A, F, C, D is the second quadrant. Okay. So radius of the quadrant is also 8 centimeter only. Find area of the design common between the two quadrant. This side one quadrant till here and this side till here is one quadrant. They are joining. They are asking you to find area of the design which makes bounded by the two quadrants. So area of the design region common between two quadrant is area of the two quadrant minus area of the square. This is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant, minus this area region will give you the common region. So 2 times quadrant. So 2 into, what is the quadrant formula? 1 by 4 into pi r square minus area of the square is a square, side square. So 2 into 1 by 4 into pi value is 22 by 7. For the quadrant, what is the radius is 8. So 8 into 8 minus, for the side, square side is 8. So 8 square. Now simplify 4 and 22. I am cancelling. 11s are 2s are, and this 2 and this 2 I am cancelling. So 11 into 8 by 7. So 11 into 8 into 8 is nothing but a 704 by 7 minus a 64. When I am dividing this part, I will get 100.57 minus a 64. When I am subtracting, I will get 36.57 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to, that is, the area of the common region between the two quadrants is 36.57 centimeter square. Thank you, children.